Imagine a classroom where every student is not just learning, but teaching too. Sounds exciting, right? Welcome to the Education Studio. Today, we're exploring the Jigsaw Method, a fun and effective way to turn your classroom into a collaborative learning space. Traditional classrooms often make students passive learners. They sit, listen, and memorize, only to forget later. This approach can lead to disengagement, confusion, and low teamwork skills. The Jigsaw Method is a cooperative learning strategy designed to solve this problem. Each student becomes an expert on a part of the lesson. First, they meet with others learning the same piece, sharing ideas, practicing, and mastering it. Then, they return to their original groups to teach their peers. Every student contributes, and together, they complete the puzzle of the lesson. The Jigsaw Method encourages active participation. Students engage with content directly. Teamwork and responsibility. Everyone's contribution matters. A deeper understanding. Teaching others reinforces learning. Teachers can use this method for any subject: science, history, language arts, even math. Turn your classroom into a team-powered learning hub with the Jigsaw Method. If you found this useful, subscribe to the Education Studio for more practical teaching strategies and educational tips.